Have you been denied access to the United States and need help quickly? While we wish every immigration move was a smooth process, the reality is you can face some serious hurdles, so it's important to be ready for anything, especially being denied entry at a US airport. In this video, I want to talk about being denied entry when immigrating to the United States, as getting stopped at the airport can be a very nerve-wracking position to be in, and it's important to be prepared. I will be sharing with you the reasons why you may be denied entry, what to do in this scenario, and what to do if you've been denied even with a US visa. There are a number of reasons someone could be denied entry to the United States, as immigration officers at customs can be harsh and have the power to reject your entry. A customs officer will be asking you questions about yourself and your time in the US to ensure that you are coming with legit and good intentions. Most denied entry cases are due to a criminal history, prior US entry denial, suspicions of malicious intent, problems with your paperwork, or travel documentation conflicts. If you ever find yourself in this situation, it's important to stay calm and take action quickly. Everything you do from this point on will determine your ability to appeal your denial. It's easy to get upset when being denied, but it's important to keep your composure and control your emotions. A few tips that we start with those facing this predicament starts with asking the immigration officer for patience. The first goal when being denied entry at a US airport is to delay getting it officially marked on your record. You can usually do this by asking the customs officer for patience. Being marked as previously denied entry into the United States will only make it harder down the line to appeal the refusal or be allowed entry in the future. Next, feel free to ask questions, but let's make sure it's in a calm and non-threatening manner. This is a huge move for many individuals, and asking questions to better understand your denial is not a crime. Try to understand why you were refused in the first place. You also want to take notes when asking these questions for obvious reasons. You don't want to forget. This will help you move forward in the process and also help your immigration lawyer who is helping you fight against the denial. Now let's say you're still in front of a customs officer, you've asked for patience, you've asked questions, you've taken notes, and now you need a minute to regather. Ask to take a step away to correct the mistakes yourself or contact an immigration professional, which leads us to tip number 5. Hire immigration help. As we have mentioned before, applying for a US immigration status is always open to completing yourself, but handling a refusal or denial is different and needs to be handled with extreme care. Working beside an immigration professional who has the knowledge to help you through the denial will increase your chances of success tremendously. For foreign nationals who already have been granted a US visa and are still refused entry, things are a bit more serious and different, but this needs to be handled with efficiency and care. If you have been denied entry at a US airport with a granted visa, you have the right to an exclusion hearing, an appeal, or to request judicial review. Having an immigration professional working with you on your case allows them to reassess your application and denial to better guide you. US denials happen pretty often, and it's important to be prepared for any situations like this. Visa Place has helped many people appeal their denied entry, and we can help you too. Just because you were denied entry does not mean it's the end of the road. Book a consultation to speak with an immigration professional.